What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but today we're here for the Christmas edition of Evo's Edible Creation. And I feel like I got 3 boxes, and we should make a 2-story gingerbread mansion. So let's go ahead and set it up. So we got our local thing from Walmart, house, whatever it is. So this right here is the typical stuff that come in your normal gingerbread house creation. Candies, tubes to make the little icing. But today we ain't gonna use this. We've seen a TikTok hack where they use sugar and a pot. It sets everything faster. So I'm gonna show y'all that also while we're making this gingerbread house, y'all. So let me unpack all this. So now that I unpacked everything, all the candy aside, our 3 gingerbread houses, as you can see, is out. And now they gave us this, but since we're making a gingerbread mansion, I don't think I'm gonna need this. We're gonna bring in, boom! We're gonna bring in this big baby. So we're gonna set a whole mansion. This is like 3 acres on cardboard. Alright, so now we got everything out. We're gonna get ready to start putting a 2-story house together. I had an accident. I accidentally cracked one of my bases because I have to cut the top part of this to get the 2-story. But I'm gonna fix it, you'll never know. I haven't unpackaged this one because this one's gonna be used as my garage. You will see the whole product at the end. It's gonna be great. Right now, currently I have my sugar on in the back. It sets faster than the icing, which we're gonna use for decoration. We ain't gonna use it to set everything. So, be back soon when I get my base started. Alright, so I'm just gonna give y'all a brief glimpse of what we doing. The sugar that we put on the stove, we did put some right here to make the front of the house, as you can see. They don't gotta look so pretty, just like this one right here. They ain't all the way pretty, but this is gonna be the addition of your foyer, if that's what they call it. So, alright, we back, y'all. So now I told y'all I was getting ready to do the whole base and the foundation, and now we got the pieces together. You see y'all? Look at that. 2-story, man. Look at that. Look at all this up here in the driveway. We got the foundation. I'm now about to get ready to decorate the whole house. So, see you soon. Alright, we back, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a brief update. Alright, y'all, we back. Let's give y'all a brief update on what's going on. Just finishing decorating some of the stuff. As you can tell, it's a long process, but it's getting done just for y'all. So, give me some more time. I have everything finished and I'll get back to you soon. Now we back, y'all, and you should already see we finished. This is the whole decoration of my 2-story mansion house. You already see this the front. You know, this the garage right here. You know, I got my peoples in the front. You know, we getting ready to play some sports or something. Everything decorated. Got the snowman right there. So if y'all want to try to just follow these steps, do the design I did, you gonna have everything else.